If you want to hide your number when you make a call so nobody knows who is calling, or if you want your number to always show when you make a call, this is how to set it up on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series or any Samsung Galaxy phones. So go down and tap on the phone app. As you can see there, tap on it. Now tap on the three dots at the top there. Now tap on the settings. Scroll down to find supplementary services and tap on it. Here it is. Tap on it. Allow it to load. Once it loads, you will see over here, it shows here SIM2. Show your caller ID. You will see it's currently on default settings. Tap on it. Network default uses your carrier's setting. If you tap on the never, it hides your number. And if you tap on always displays your number on every calls. So let's tap on the never. So you can see here, it's now set to never. So no one would see your number when you call. And this is specific for SIM2. If you have two SIMs installed on your phone, go ahead and make the settings of which of the SIMs that you would want to customize. Here is the SIM 1. You can do the same customization. And that's how to prevent people from knowing who is calling when you place a call, when you make a call. Thank you for watching and hit the subscribe button.